I decided to remodel the home because I love the area that I'm in. I love my home. Little did I know that I wouldn't have to extend the square footage out of the house and have more room to have to heat and cool and clean and all that until I went over to Lane and they laid out the 3D. Shannon suggested that I turn my formal living room and dining room into the primary bedroom and bath. And I was amazed with just how much room there was in there for everything. I would have never imagined that. It's just so good to get up and walk around the corner from my bedroom into the kitchen for my coffee. Lane was very respectful with the times they would show up, and Josh was here every day, and he was so conscientious of everything that he would do, and Chris would come in and check everything, and having Shannon right there as my sidekick helping me, of course, it was all top notch, and I really miss Josh. He's a great guy, he is, and his workmanship is again top notch. If you're contemplating downsizing or downstairs primary bed and bath and you have upstairs, I would highly recommend you go ahead and do it. I just wish now that I would have done it 10 years ago.